If you want to buy a house and you're finding things too unaffordable, this is the video for you. I have some townhomes in Eagle Mountain in the Firefly community that are priced at $365,000. The builder's offering an $8,000 incentive, which can cover your closing costs or rate buy down. And on top of that, you might qualify for the $20,000 grant from the state of Utah. That is huge. Their preferred lender specializes in getting that grant for you. So there's actually a really good chance you'll get that $20,000 grant, the $8,000 from the builder, and a really affordable house price. They have single family homes out here as well. We can talk about that in a different video. Just let me know in the comment section below. But the amazing thing about the Firefly community is that they call it Life Unplugged. The focus of the community is to have all these cool things for people to do there. So kids, instead of sitting there playing on their phones or playing video games, they're gonna go out and do the pump track. They have a skate park. They have pickleball, basketball. They're gonna be putting in soccer fields. I can't even name all, guys. There's so many things to do out in that community. So you're gonna wanna watch this video. You're gonna hit the subscribe button below because I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos the rest of this summer and into the rest of this year actually to show you kind of what kind of deals are happening right now. So, let's have some fun. I'm in the Firefly community in Eagle Mountain, Utah, where townhomes are starting at $365,000. From the front door, you can see it goes right up the stairs, or you got this open family room. This is the one that's actually available for sale. So you'll see blue tape everywhere. So now they're getting ready to do all the touch up. Looks kind of funny. Let me turn on the lights in this kitchen real quick. Okay, never mind. We don't have power in the kitchen at this time, but you can see that's a nice big kitchen for a townhome. That's awesome. So let's go ahead and step in this corner back over here. This is gonna be the family area looking into the kitchen. Okay, so that gives you a pretty good idea of what it looks like. Your refrigerator's gonna go right here. So you can see it's like actually a nice product here. It's not Formica and low end stuff here. You got a pretty nice house here. Okay, this gives you the mudroom, and your coat closet is back over there. And this is the garage. You can see it's actually a wide garage, so you can actually get some stuff in there. I'll do a video coming in from the garage as well. That takes you down to the basement. We'll go down there last, but you can see right in through here, you got your bathroom. And once again, look at the lighting up there. That's a nice upgrade compared to what most builders are gonna give you standard in a townhome. Give you a nice view from this angle into your family room. So you can see this is a nice wide open space. Good looking front door there with all the windows in it. And let's go ahead and head up the stairs. Okay, so when you get to the top stairs here, you can see this is kind of a nice open space. So you got the master bedroom back over there. Let's go that way last. We have 3 bedrooms in here. And you're gonna like this. When you step into the bedroom here, in this back corner, you got the 2 big windows there. Look at the nice tall ceilings here, 9-foot ceilings on the upstairs as well. And then you actually have a walk-in closet, which is also rare to find in townhomes. And look at this, they even do like the double shelves here. And a lot of builders don't do that. So just these are like all little things to think about when you're buying a house. And in my opinion, Candlelight Homes is one of the higher quality builders. So you're getting a good construction home here. So just like the other closet, you got the double shelves there. All right, so let's check out the bathroom really quick. Okay, so, this is the laundry room. So a nice big laundry room here. Now the bathroom. Okay, so this is kind of cool because once again, you can see you got the nicer lights there, but they actually have a separation between the sink area and the toilet and tub area. So that's really nice because someone can be getting ready in the morning while someone else is showering or whatever. Then right here, you've got linen closet. Once again, tons of townhomes don't even have a linen closet. So you move in, you're like, where do we put stuff? So that is a big bonus. All right, here's the master bedroom. Once again, you see the 9-foot ceilings, it just gives you so much space there. They got the 3 windows. You can add a fan here later if you'd like. Your bed's gonna sit right here against this wall, and you're gonna look across there and you can see all the stuff to like put your TV. See, a lot of space here. Okay, so let's check out this closet, which also goes into the bathroom. We'll check the bathroom out here in a second. We can see for a townhome, once again, this is a big closet. Let's just gonna step inside so you can get a feel for the size of this whole thing. And then double sinks, upgrade lighting, and shower, toilet, and that's pretty much it, except for now, we need to head down and look at the basement. So let's head on down there super quick. Through the kitchen. That's the garage right there again, and down we go. Get the light on. You can see this gives you a ton of space. You put a big old family room down here. Let's step in this corner here to give you a full feel for the size of this whole area. Utility room, and you got a little storage space here underneath the stairs. And there you go. I should mention it is pre-plumbed right here for a bathroom, so you can put a bathroom back here and probably just a nice family area. Okay, so now we're on the back side of the townhomes looking into the garage. These are rear entry townhomes, so the front's gonna look a little nicer. We're gonna step into the garage super quick and show you what it looks like, and you see you got this nice little storage area back here. If you want the $20,000 grant from the state of Utah, plus the $8,000 builder incentive, reach out to me. I'm excited to meet with you and to tour these amazing homes. So, what is Life Unplugged? Well, you're gonna love this. The Firefly community has been designed to get kids outside. Well, adults too. When finally built out, Firefly will include over 350 acres of parks, trails, and open space. In addition to what I've already shared, there will be world-class soccer fields, a climbing wall, extensive trail system, and a state-of-the-art playground for year-round fun. And look at all the incredible activities Blazer Park offers. Hit pause if you need more time. I'm moving on. On top of all this, there's an on-site activities director who's always planning fun activities. If you'd like to learn more about Eagle Mountain, watch the full tour of Eagle Mountain City. And if you're coming from out of state, be sure to check out Watch This Before You Buy a Home in Utah. Look for the link for those videos in the description below. Candlelight also builds beautiful single-family homes like you see here. For 2 years in a row now, they've won the Judge's Choice in the Utah Valley Parade of Homes. Look for the links for those home tours in the description below. If you'd like to tour these homes in person, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. If you're ready to buy, sell, or build a home here in Utah, I get contacted all the time. Please feel free to call or text me with your questions. I'd love to hear from you. If you have a friend or a family looking to buy a home, you can easily text this video to them. And please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Remember, you can find me on Instagram at Ty, the Real Estate Guy. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below. It'll make you feel good.